Welcome to Defense Universe.
A major aggressive move again in South China Sea by Chinese. The Chinese Coast Guard ships and accompanying vessels blocked the Philippine Coast Guard and supply vessels off the disputed Second Thomas Shoal and executed dangerous maneuvers that caused two minor collisions between the Chinese ships and two of the Philippine vessels. The BRP Sindangan of the Philippine Coast Guard had minor structural damage from the collision that happened shortly after Tuesday dawn. Over an hour later, another Chinese Coast Guard ship first blocked and then collided with a supply boat the Philippine Coast Guard was escorting. The incidents happened in waters around Second Thomas Shoal in the Spratly Islands, where the countries have contesting maritime claims. The Philippines has frequently accused Chinese vessels of aggressive and dangerous attempts to block its resupply missions to the shoal. The Philippines said Chinese Coast Guard and maritime militia vessels had caused two collisions, which led to superficial structural damage to the hull of one of its Coast Guard vessels. The simultaneous use of water cannon by two Chinese vessels against a civilian supply boat shattered the vessel's windshield and caused minor injuries to at least 4 personnel on board. China's claim of sovereignty over most of the South China Sea cuts into the exclusive economic zones of Vietnam, the Philippines, Malaysia, Brunei, and Indonesia. China claims the South China Sea almost entirely, despite a 2015 ruling by an international tribunal in The Hague, finding this to be without legal basis. Analysts have warned that as incidents become more common, there is a risk of miscalculation that could pull the US and India, Philippine ally, into confrontation with its rival Beijing. Now, if you want to witness Indian Navy Marco's daring anti-hijacking ops, then check out this.